Hi guys, so we're back with another video, and today we're gonna make our back some sorrel. We have guests that come over for Christmas, so therefore we have to do it like more like the traditional way. So we'll put on a pot of boiling water, right? So while it's there, I'm going to do it in, we're gonna grate some ginger. Let me look how much. Alright, you know the last time somebody asked me how much sorrel. So it says half pound, and this is the brand of sorrel that I am going to use. Okay. All right, I'm gonna grate 2 pieces of ginger first, see how much I come up with, and then I think I got more now because I like it with a little more ginger. All right, guys, my daughter washed, so boy, forgive me for the noise in the background. But we have 3 pieces of 3 pieces of ginger that I'm going to grate. Okay, I want it good enough at the camera in front of me. Shit. Break. Alright, we can't go no more. I just mash them too, yeah. Not that I can't go no more, the grip. So we're gonna add this to the boiling water. And I'm just gonna take this and add it. Now I'm just gonna take the grated ginger and add it to the boiling water. So I just add the ginger to the boiling water. I'm also gonna add a cinnamon stick. I also do have a star anise. I'm gonna add 1 to the pot, along with some cloves, a few pimento berries, and I use too much, guys. Also adding some pimento leaf. If you add a pimento stick, you don't have to add pimento leaf. It's optional. So now I'm gonna boil this for like maybe 15 minutes, and then we'll come back. Guys, I'm also going to add some orange peel to the mix. Right, combine that, cover, and let that boil for 15 minutes. All right, so we have the orange peel with ginger, with pimento seed, with cinnamon leaf, with cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, and some cloves. So I'm gonna allow this to boil for 15 minutes, and then we'll come back. Because now we are going to wash the sorrel. I wash in cold water, because if you use warm water, it's going to start to dry the sorrel. And then you wind up. And we want to wash this 3-4 times because it's dirty. Look at somebody on the internet with that's the sorrel from the pot, the pot. I swear to God. And I was like, nah. Yeah. So we'll rinse this, and then we'll come back. Alright, come we add the sorrel to the pot. Turn off the stove, guys. Add the sorrel. Combine it. So I'll combine everything together. All we gotta do now is cover it and make that dry. Right, after 3 long days, we could go see Wagwan for the sorrel. Oh my God. Just look at this. Alright, so I can strain this off now and sweeten it. Alright, so I'm going to strain out all we can from this. I'll grab this. I shouldn't even move this set. I'm still have to strain again. I'll grab this. Yeah, try to get as much as possible. Okay. So we are going with some red label wine. These are the easy parts, you know. All of this optional, except for the sugar, right? We are going with a couple cups of sugar. This is half cup. So far we have 1.5, less than 1.5 because I'm really full. I'll go with one more. So half. Then you taste. If you want more sugar, you add more sugar. If it's alright, you leave it alone. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Turn it to the side.
Who said?
The vodka.
Oh.
Yeah. Turn it, look more.